Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn very interesting lesson, a snake charmer story from NCERT 5th Looking Around book. In this lesson we are going to see about five poisonous snakes in India, then how to make snake puppet or a snake charmer story. In this story, there is one character, his name is Aryanath, and now he is saying, I can do something special which I'm sure none of you can do. And do you know what? I can play the bean, you must be surprised. Yes, I can make snakes dance by playing the bean, and I have learned this art from my family members. We people are known as Kalbelias. Okay, now this Aryanath want to say he has one special skill of playing bean, and with the help of that bean, he can make snakes dance, which we cannot do. Okay, and that is correct thing. Everybody cannot play that bean, and they cannot make snakes dance, isn't it? So that is one special skill. And what he says next, my grandfather Roshan Naji was famous amongst our people. He could easily catch many snakes. So we can understand here, Aryanath's grandfather Roshan Nathji was famous amongst their people, Kalbelia's people, isn't it? He could easily catch many poisonous snakes, and he tells many stories to Aryanath about his past. And so let's enjoy a story which has given in your lesson. Here Aryanath is also saying to us, come listen to his story in his own words. Now, here Dadaji remembers and tells us, from the time of my grandfather and great grandfather, means Dadaji's grandfather and great grandfather, we have always been saperas, means snake charmers. They were snake charmers, and snake have been an important part of our life. We used to move from village to village carrying our snakes in bamboo basket. They were carrying their snakes in bamboo basket, and they were going village to village. And whenever we stop in a village, a crowd could gather around us, means people were gathering around them, and we would then take out our snakes from our basket. And when people were making crowd there, that time they were taking out their snakes from their bamboo basket. And even after the show, people would stay on. They knew that in our tin box there were many types of medicines for them. We made these medicines from plants collected from the forest, and I had learned all these from my grandfather. I felt nice that I could help people with my medicines, even if doctors and hospitals were far off. In return, people would give us some money or food grains. In this way, we could manage our life. This way, Aryanath's grandfather tells him that they were doing snake charmer show village to village, and sometimes they were collecting forest plants, and from these forest plant they were making medicines, and these medicines were also they were selling in these villages, and in exchange they were getting some food grains and money, and in this way they could manage their life somehow. Grandfather tells next, sometime I was called to places where someone had been bitten by a snake. From the marks of the bite, I tried to find out which snake had bitten the person. I would then give a medicine for that, but I have not always been on time to help. As you know, some snake bites can even cause death on the spot. But most of the snakes are not poisonous. Sometimes, when some farmers would come running for help, shouting, snake, snake, I would catch that snake. This way we have understood, if somewhere someone had been bitten by a snake, these people were calling to Aryanath's grandfather to give a medicine immediately, or you can say to find out which snake had been bitten to the person, isn't it? From that they can find out correct medicine for that person. And sometimes some farmers were also calling him to catch snakes. After all, catching snakes was something he had been doing since his childhood with his grandfather or with his great grandfather. And next he says, oh, those were the good days. We could help a lot of people in many ways. We also entertain them. It was not like today when everyone watches TV for entertainment. Means here grandfather want to say they all were in kalbelias, they all were snake charmers, and they were going village to village with their bamboo basket. And what was there in that bamboo basket? Snakes. Okay, and so that they were playing bean and they were opening their bamboo basket and they were showing snake dance to the crowd, and people were also gathering around them to see snake dance, isn't it? And nowadays what is happening, we all are very busy in watching TV only. Okay, nowadays we cannot see snake charmers also, and even if we have wish, then also we cannot see snake charmers. They are not going to come to our village, and if they will come, then also that much crowd will not be there to see snake dance, isn't it? And at last, grandfather says, what can we do? Aryanath, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. And he learned to play the bean without being taught. Okay, means Aryanath's father has learned playing bean from his father only. Okay, without teaching. And these days it is difficult. Now the government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Some people kill the animals and sell their skins at high prices. Now, have you understood, children, what Aryanath's grandfather is saying? These days are very difficult. Why? Because government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals. Means snakes are also coming in these wild animals, and they cannot keep these snakes with them. Some people why? Because some people kill the animals and sell their skins at high prices for money purpose. These people are doing like this. But next, grandfather says, with this law, how will we earn our livelihood? What work we will do? We people have never killed snakes and sold their skins. Next, grandfather says, people say that we keep the snakes in bad condition. If we wanted, we too could have earned a lot of money by killing snakes and by selling their skins, but we would never do that. And snakes are our treasure that we pass on from one generation to another. We even gift snakes to our daughters when they get married. And children, have you ever heard about this, that these Kalbelian people are giving snakes to their daughters as gift? And in our Kalbelia dance, we also have movements similar to the dance of the snake. Grandfather says in their Kalbelian dance, there are some movements similar to the dance of snake. And Aryanath, you will have to make a different life for yourself. You have got your father's gift of playing the bean. You and your cousins can form a bean party and entertain people, but do not waste this knowledge about snakes you have got from your elders. Share your knowledge about snakes with children who live in towns and cities. Tell them that they should not be scared of snakes. Help them to recognize poisonous snakes. Tell them how snakes are friends of the farmers. They eat the rats in the fields, and otherwise rats would eat the crops. Now you tell our story, also make a new story of your life to tell your grandchildren. Now here grandfather is telling Aryanath that how can he use his playing bean skill and knowledge about snakes to aware and to entertain people, and with the help of these snakes knowledge and skill of playing bean, he can survive his life. And he can tell people that snakes are friends of farmers. All snakes are not poisonous. Now tell me, children, have you ever seen animals being used for entertainment of people? For example, in a circus, on the road, or in a park. When and where did you see this? Which animal show did you see? Was anyone teasing the animals, and how? What kind of questions came to your mind after seeing that animals show? And now imagine that you are an animal in a cage. Think how you would feel. I am afraid when I will be in the cage. Instead, my house forest, isn't it? And I wish I should be free from this cage. I'm sad when circus people are keeping me in the cage, and if I had a chance, I would be free from this cage and I would run in my home forest. And I do not like it at all when somebody is keeping me in the cage. If I will be animal and if I would be in the cage, this type of answers I will give. So you should also think about that. Now one very important information, do you know of the many kinds of snakes found in our country India, isn't it? Only four types of snakes are poisonous. Only four. They are cobra. First one is cobra. Mostly we all know about cobra very well. And then second one is common crate, and third one is Russell's viper, means you can say duboia. And fourth one is saw scaled viper, means afai. And do you know a snake has two hollow teeth? When it bites, the poison enters the person's body through the fangs. There is a medicine for snake bites. The medicine is made from the snake's poison and is available in all government hospitals. One more important thing you have got, that the medicine is made from the snake's poison only and is available in all government hospitals. Now it's activity time. Make a snake puppet. Take an old pair of socks which you have already and put to one on your arm. Stick buttons or bindis for the eyes. Bindis are also available at your home. Cut out a long red strip of paper for using as the tongue and stick it in the place as shown. You can see in the picture. On the other side of the paper, make a V-shaped cut. Your snake is ready. Now you can play with this puppet. So have you understood this lesson, children? Now in this picture you can see bean in this snake charmer's hand. Okay, if you like this video, please share, subscribe and don't forget to like. So thanks for watching.